So let's go over how to solve equations by substituting values. So let's take the equation a plus b equals 5. Sorry, that's a b. Where a equals 1 and b equals 4. Now you may be wondering, how exactly do I solve this? Well, in mathematics, there is a concept called plugging in or substituting numbers, where you will literally replace the unknown values, such as a or b, and replace them with the values that they are equal to. So let me just show you. So because a equals 1, we would replace a with 1 because it's equal to it. We can say this is equal to this, this is equal to this. And because b equals 4, we can write b as just 4 because, once again, these equal to each other. And we can say that this value equals 5. And that's true because 1 plus 4 does equal 5. Now, let's try another problem. Let's do 3a minus 2b equals an unknown number, where a equals 2 and b equals 4. Now you may be wondering, how do I solve this? Like, they're attached to each other, how do I do it? Well, in the last video we discussed that, like, if two terms, you could say, or two numbers or two values are attached to each other, they are essentially multiplying together. So this would be equal to 3 times a. Keep in mind this little dot right here, it means the same as a multiplication sign. It's just in higher mathematics we tend to use this dot rather than, just like multiplication sign. And this 2b equals 2 times b, which once again is equal, or no, this little dot means the same as this multiplication sign. So that means from here we can just plug in 2 for a because they're equal to each other. So we can go 3 times, sorry, let me create a little, so you don't get confused. There we go. 3 times 2 minus 2 times b, and b is equal to 4, so it would be 2 times 4, that's a 4, I'm sorry, equals an unknown number. So from here we would always do multiplication first because PEMDAS, probably what you learned in school, parentheses and exponents, and multiplication and division from left to right, and addition and subtraction from left to right. So 3 times 2 is 6, and 2 minus 4 is 8, and then we subtract these two values, which then become negative 2. So the answer to this question is negative 2. Let's try one more, and we'll call it a day. Let's do, I don't know, 7a plus 2x equals a random number. And let's have a equals to 2 while x equals 1/2, right? So we can just plug in 2 for a because they're like equal to each other. So we can go 7 times 2 and plus 2 times 1/2. Now you may be wondering, how do I multiply by a fraction? Like, this is confusing. Like, this may be confusing to you. Like, how do we do this? In mathematics, if the denominator or the bottom number of a fraction is equal to the number that you are multiplying with, we can simply cancel these out. It's also called reducing. So in reality, this entire term right here, which is equal to this, is equal to just 1, because if you substitute these down, these are just 1. 1 times 1 is 1, and 1 divided by 1 is 1. So in reality, this question is actually saying, this question is actually saying 7 times 2 plus 1. And from here we go 7 times 2, that is 14, and then plus 1 equals 15. So the answer to this question is, sorry, let me get rid of this thing right here, is 15.